Hello student, today we are starting with the lesson number 4, molecular basis of inheritance. Now during the last lecture we have studied about the 4.3 DNA packaging, and today we are starting with the new topic, that one is 4.4 DNA replication. Now what is meant by DNA replication? Here it is given that the DNA molecules which regulates and control all the activities of the cell, and so DNA also should duplicate itself to distribute equally to the daughter cell. As we know very well that DNA which is there, it is present inside the cell, and it is necessary that the cell which is there, which is dividing, and in which the DNA also divide and redivide, and that is why today we are going to study the DNA replication, means how the DNA replicate inside the cell before the cell division. Here first is function. First function is heterocatalytic function. Here when DNA directs the synthesis of chemical molecules other than itself, then such functions of DNA are called heterocatalytic function. Means when DNA which is there, it directs synthesis with the chemical molecules other than itself, then such function, means DNA when it directs synthesis with chemical molecules and then other than itself, such function is called as heterocatalytic function. For example, synthesis of RNA, means RNA first of all it is synthesized, which is also called as transcription, and synthesis of protein, which is also called as translation. Means first of all transcription is done and then translation is done in the heterocatalytic function. Next B, it is autocatalytic function. When DNA directs the synthesis of DNA itself other than chemical. Here we saw the chemical molecules, but here we saw the DNA itself, then such function of DNA is called autocatalytic function. For example, replication, which is called as replication. Heterocatalytic means synthesis of chemical, while autocatalytic means DNA itself. Here in eukaryotic organism, replication of DNA takes place only once in the cell cycle. It occurs in the S phase of interphase in the cell cycle. Here we are going to study about the eukaryotic organism in which DNA, how it is been replicates. So if first procedure is activation of nucleotide. The four types of nucleotide of DNA, that is DAMP, DGMP, DCMP and DTMP, are present in the nucleoplasm. They are activated by ATP in presence of an enzyme phosphorylase. The process is known as phosphorylation. Means first of all the activation of nucleotides is done in the procedure of DNA replication. Now second is the point of origin or initiation point. It begins at specific point O origin and terminates at T. The unit of DNA in which replication occurs is called replicon. Here after the activation, the point of origin or initiation point, it starts with the unit of DNA in which replication occurs. Then third step is unwinding of DNA molecule. Now enzyme DNA helicase operates by breaking weak hydrogen bond in the vicinity of O. The two separated strands are prevented from recoiling by SSBP. SSB proteins remain attached to both the separate strands so as to facilitate synthesis of new polynucleotide strand. Here, after the point of origin, they both start separating from each other, prevented from recoiling by SSBP and SSB protein. Then next one is replicating fork. After the separating, the point formed due to unwinding and separation of two strands appear like a Y-shaped fork called replicating fork. Here, after the replication of fork, synthesis of new DNA strand take place. Here each separated strands act as a mold or template for the synthesis of new complementary strand, which seems like DNA, new DNA strand, on which templates means the 3 codon. Then next step is leading and lagging strand. The strand which both the template with free 3 strands is called leading template and with free 5-N is called lagging template. Maturation of Okazaki fragments. DNA synthesis on a lagging templates take place in the form of small fragments is called Okazaki fragments. Here the formation of 2 daughter DNA molecule. At the end of the replication, 2 daughter DNA molecules are formed. Now in the image I will show you properly. Here you can see in this image, first here the DNA strand which is there, here this one is the DNA strand, and from the this is the replicating fork, this is the initiation point from which both the DNA strand gets separated, lagging template here, then here the new strand which are combining with the old DNA strand, that is RNA primer, which is also called as a lagging strand. And here below here the leading template which is there, the leading strand continues with the new leading template, and the lagging strand which is there, it is also called as Okazaki fragments. Then semi-conservative replication of DNA. Here semi means half, conservative replication of DNA. Here half from the old DNA strand to lagging template and leading template, that is called as semi-conservative replication of DNA. Interpretation of results of Melson's experiment on the separations of DNA by equilibrium density gradient centrifugation. Now here in this process you can see that 15N DNA strand which is there, after some time N-DNA and N-DNA in the first generation it gets divided into 2 DNA, and then the second generation after the double time, here you can see N-DNA strand, NN-DNA, NN-DNA and N-DNA strand. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. From the first old DNA strand, 4 DNA strand, means the 4 DNA molecule you can see. Example, the experimental here in the E. coli cells were then transformed to 15N medium and allowed to replicate for several generations at equilibrium point, density gradient band was obtained. By using 6MCS and Cl2, the position of this band is recorded. In this way, here the position of bands after 2 generations clearly proved that DNA replication is a semi-conservative replication. Now here we saw about the DNA replication and in which two types of functions are there: heterocatalytic function, autocatalytic functions. Here in the eukaryotic organism, activation of nucleotide, point of origin or initiation, unwinding of DNA molecules, replicating for synthesis of new strand, leading and lagging strand, and formation of daughter DNA molecules. Here the experimental confirmation is done, which we saw in E. coli cell, and in such a way DNA replication is taking place by semi-conservative replication. This was concluded from the DNA replication. Now in the next topic we will study the 4.5 protein synthesis. Thank you, student.